In this video, I am going to teach you how to create links from text on card.co. First thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is card with double r.co. You should be able to see in here their website. So as you can see, card.co is a one-page site for pretty much everything that you can actually go. Now, onto their website, you will be prompted to log in, or you can also just choose a starting point and choose a template that you want to actually add or use on your card. I have in here the starting point that you can see. Some are premium while some are free. So on this case, just choosing here the actual card or the actual template that you want to use. In this case, I'll just head over and choose one. Now here is the template that I have chosen. Now, if you want to create links from text, what we can do is we can just head over and choose which text will actually have that link. Click onto that text right there, and you can see in here this. So, for example, you can see in here supports for Markdown as well. So, as you have noticed right here into this paragraph, it actually wraps the domain or the URL that it wants to use. So, we just need to head over and then do this as well to the text that we want. So for example, I have in here this and I want to have a link onto the last letter right there. So you can just input right here this icon. Then after that, put a space and then put right here a link. And then for example, let's put in here www.youtube.com. You can just close the parenthesis right here. Now it should be able to support the markdown for this right here. Now, this is what it will look like. Now, if you do not want something like this, what you can do is you can remove, for example, the thing that we have just created. And then what we can do next is we can click or select this text and click onto this plus icon. And then choosing here the link option. So here's the links. So the downside to this is that you won't be able to select a specific word that will have this link. It will be added to that same element right there. Just input right here the link that you want added and click on add and it should be able to be added from there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.